She blinded me with science.
Hey guys, it's me, Dr. Keely.
And me, Dr. Claire.
So today we're doing Avogadro's Law, and this is what you'll need. We need one measuring cup, some vinegar, baking soda, scissors, a tape measure, teaspoons, and string.
And you'll also need a funnel, 3 empty water bottles, food coloring, and 3 balloons.
Now let's get to it. Okay, for the first step, you can either use a paper funnel or a plastic funnel that you've made out of a water bottle, which is what we're choosing to use. So Igor, would you please take the paper funnel? Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna secure the balloon tightly onto our funnel. Okay, so for balloon number 1, which is the pink balloon, we're going to put 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda into the balloon using the funnel.
So for balloon number 2, you're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and for balloon number 3, you're going to use 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
And we'll see you when we finish that. Okay guys, we're back. So we finished filling up our balloons with baking soda.
And now we're going to measure our 100 milliliters of vinegar.
Oh, and this is measurements of that, 100 milliliters.
So now we're going to pour our 100 milliliters of vinegar into the water bottle. Now we're going to repeat that for these 2 water bottles.
So now we've finished pouring our 100 milliliters of vinegar into each balloon. So at this point, you can pour food coloring into each one to differentiate between the different balloons. Right now we're using red, green, and blue. So this is for balloon number 1. This is balloon number 2, which is green.
And this is balloon number 3, which is blue.
And now we're gonna mix them up.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Now for balloon number 1, we're gonna attach the balloon to the water bottle and pour in the baking soda.
And watch as your balloon fills up. Okay, so for balloon number 2, we're going to attach the balloon securely also and pour in the baking soda. And you can watch as it gets bigger. Okay, for balloon number 3, we're going to do the same thing again and secure our balloon to the water bottle. Now we're going to pour in the baking soda. And watch as it grows.
Okay, so now we're going to measure the circumference of the balloon using this string.
So we're going to wrap it around, and where the 2 ends meet, we are going to hold that mark. Now using our scissors, we're going to cut it like so. And we're going to use this measuring tape.
We use our measuring tape to measure the string.
Now you're going to repeat that for the next 2 balloons. We'll see you then. Okay, now we're going to be doing Charles' Law. So what you'll need for the materials is a measuring cup, a tape measure, scissors, string, and a thermometer.
You'll also need a pot and a balloon.
Now let's get to it.
The first thing you need to do is measure the circumference of the balloon.
You're going to use your scissors and cut the string at the place that you have marked. Now you're going to be using your tape measure and we're going to measure the string. Next, we're going to be filling up our measuring cup with 1,000 milliliters of water.
So next we're boiling our 1,000 milliliters of water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit.
Next, we will be using our thermometer to measure the temperature of the boiling water and make sure it gets to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. You may also need to use an oven mitt because it can be pretty hot.
Next, we'll be holding the balloon over the boiling water for 30 seconds.
And I'll be measuring the circumference.
Okay, I got it.
Next, you use your tape measure to measure the piece of string that we have cut for the circumference. Next, we will be putting the same green balloon into the freezer for multiple hours. Now we wait. Okay guys, we're back. So now we're going to take our balloon out of the freezer
And measure the circumference.
Look at that!
She blinded me with science.
Thank you for coming to our laboratory.
We heart chemistry.
Elements, compounds, mixtures, all together make a very nice picture. Because that's how matter is classified. Better make sure you have it all memorized. Atoms are made.
Wait, what?
Oh my, get out, we're recording, go away. Now.
And now, now.
Oh my god, I guarantee you it's broke. Oh my god! Oh my god, I can't touch it now. Did it melt?